Welcome guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I just want to say welcome and thank you for being here. And in today's video, I'm just going to show you how you can braid your natural hair using some extension over your hair. And this video is very beginner friendly. It's a tutorial. Whether you are starting out or you want to improve your skills, this video got you covered. So in today's video, let's just cover a few basic things. So there's some things that you're going to need when you're ready to braid your hair, or before you braid your hair. You're going to actually need to have your tools, and that would be a comb. You want to have some clip to clip your hair back, to section your hair, and you want to prepare the hair to avoid damages. And you're probably going to want to use whatever of your choice. That can be a leave-in conditioner, that can be the gel that you choose to use, and I will be showing you how you can embrace your natural hair journey with confidence. And remember, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more natural hair tutorial and tips on my channel. So let's get right into this video. The first thing you're going to need to have, you're going to need to prepare the hair. When I say prepare the hair, I mean your hair should be washed, either blow dry if you choose to blow dry the hair, or you can braid it in its natural state by air drying your hair. You want to also apply a leave-in conditioner or some oil in your hair. And also you want to make sure that the hair is detangled, and you want to start detangling the hair from the end to the root. That way you can prevent breakage as well. Secondly, you're going to section the hair, and you're going to use your rat tail comb for a clean part. You're going to section the hair and use a clip to clip the hair in different sections. Step 3, I will just demonstrate to you how you can braid and how you're going to add the extension. Do is a demonstration for you, and you can watch this demonstration as we go along. Later on in the video, I will just go ahead and just continue doing it without talking, that you can actually watch the video. Some of us learn easily by hearing someone else's speak and demonstrate, as well as some of us learn by seeing, like myself. Once I see it, I'll be able to do it. And choose to just mute this video and watch every example, every demonstration that I am doing. What I advise you to do is, anytime you're going to braid a hair, you want to start from the middle section. So you want to go right from the front of the hair to the back of the hair. And secondly, you can go from the ear, from one ear to the next ear. So that will give you 4 sections. With the 4th section, you're going to tuck each section away. You can either use a pony ring to separate them or put them away, or just put them much neater that you can focus on just braiding, or you can use a clip and clip them away. But I suggest that you use a clip, like really turn the hair like you're doing a bantu knot, and just use a clip and clip it away. That is secure and nice. All right, guys, so now that we get that part out of the way, so you're gonna have 3 strands. As if you're a braider, you already know how we do it. You're gonna have 3 strands, and as you can see how small these pieces of braids are. To the front of the hair, I never ever want to make it heavy, because the hair to the front is always lighter. So you go with smaller pieces of braids to the front of the hair. As you can see, I went ahead and I braided all the way down. I add the strands, I add the curl, and I use a clip to clip it away that it will not get into the way. And because I'm on top of the braid and it's a goddess braids, and I'm adding 4 pieces of curls onto each strands. All right, only 4 pieces onto each strands, because you want it to still look really beautiful. And with it being this small to the front of your hair, you're not going to experience any breakage or any weight on your edges. What you can also do, when you add the hair in, you will have a little bit of, struggled ends from the braid that you attach, which is a curly braid. You can go ahead, use your scissor, and you can take those off. As you can see, it's smooth, it's light, and it's beautiful as ever. You're going to be able to style this hair just the way you want. You can put it up in a loose bun, put it back in a ponytail, and still don't feel the pressure of having a really, really heavy to take note of. Notice how small the braid is that I'm adding into the natural hair, because the natural hair is already thick and luscious. And because I said before, you don't want it to be heavy, this is the method that I use. So now we are on top of the hair, which is like the final row. And here at the front of the hair, you want to make sure that all the knots are out, and you put your gel and you use the back of the comb, and you can actually smooth that out. as you can see the way that I'm gathering it together here. And then you're going to go ahead and section the hair into 3 strands as I'm doing here. And once you section it into 3 strands, you're going to braid it down at least 2 to 3 times. What that does is, some people have itching from the braids. What that does, it take the braid off of the scalp itself. And this is a knotless method, all right? And that would make it less itchy for you or anything if you do have sensitive scalp. Look at the amount of braid that I'm adding. You see how small this braid is? And you see how thick her hair is. Because her hair is already thick, as I mentioned before, you want to do small pieces of braids, as I am doing here. And those small pieces of braids would allow the hair to be still full with good body and movable. I'm adding the hair into the braid. So once you add the hair into the braids, you want to make sure that the hair, the end of the braid, because sometimes the braid have a really sharp end, you want to make sure that is tucked into the hair. Sometimes you can't control it, it will come out from the hair. You can just take some gel, put it on it. If it's still unruly, you can cut it down small. So you're basically going to wrap the curl into the hair as you braid. And then once you do that, you braid it down about 3 or 4 times, and then you remove from the braiding and use a clip and clip it up, as you can see I'm doing here. So now look at the size of the braids that I'm doing. As you can see, you don't want to hold the braid really tight, like if you're struggling the hair, because if you hold it too tight, it's like if you actually taking the oxygen away from someone. So if you hold someone's neck and squeeze it tight, you know that they're going to be gasping for air. To me, the same thing with the hair. If you hold it too tight, it's like you're fighting the process. If you relax your finger, then it will flow easy. Really smooth laying down. All right, so that's it for now. Just continue watch until I finish. I will just allow you to watch the whole process. Make sure that you go ahead and like and subscribe to my channel if you have not already done so. Give me a thumbs up. A wonderful rest of the day and enjoy the video. Let me know if you like this video or if it has been helpful for you. Thank you so much for being here. Have yourself, and remember, I'll be posting another video every week. I'll be doing a video.